Hello, my name is Jason, and today I would like to provide an overview to our OMNIKEY 5x27 common PACS formats. The term weekend is applied to several characteristics related to access control readers and cards. Unfortunately, the word is used carelessly and can lead to unnecessary confusion. Here are the basics. Weekend is 1. A specific reader-to-card interface. 2. A specific binary reader-to-controller interface. 3. An electronic signal carrying data. 4. The standard 26-bit binary card data format. 5. An electromagnetic effect. And 6. A card technology. For the purposes of this video, we will address items 2 and 4. Note, there are additional card reader attributes that are also described by the term weekend. When HID customers say weekend format, they typically refer to the general concept of security card data encoding. But be aware that the term weekend format is also often understood to mean the standard 26-bit format, which is a very specific arrangement of binary card data. Some basic facts. A format describes what a number means or how a number is used. The format is not the number itself. Also, the number of bits does not indicate the format except for standard 26-bit. For example, there are over 100 different 34-bit formats alone. The capability of the access control panel will dictate what formats will and will not work. Within a given bit length, the size and location of each data element may change. For example, one 34-bit format may have an 8-bit facility code starting at bit 2. Another 34-bit facility code may be 12 bits starting at bit 21. If I see a string of numbers 19495981699, it may mean nothing. If you describe it as a phone number in the United States, then it is immediately understood that 949 is the area code. Knowledge of the format allows you to decode the data. It always appears in the format XXXYYY ZZZZ because telephone company switching equipment specifies it must exist in this format. The telephone company has maintained this format for many years and migrated to it slowly over the years, adding numbers in groups. Security equipment has similar format demands, however the security industry does not want the format known, and they often change the formats to keep the changes confidential. All specific card formats are identical in both 125 kHz procs and 13.56 MHz I-class cards. This ensures that any controller capable of understanding data from 125 kHz cards and readers will also seamlessly work with 13.56 MHz cards and readers. The format in which a card is programmed is determined by the data pattern that will be compatible with the access control panel. All HID credentials, card, fobs, tags, etc. can be programmed with the standard 26-bit card data format. The standard 26-bit format is an open format. An open format means that anyone can buy HID cards in a specific format, and that specific format description is publicly available. The 26-bit format is a widely used industry standard and is available to all HID customers. Almost all access control systems accept the standard 26-bit format. 26-bit originated with true weekend swipe card technology. The HID ordering code number for the standard 26-bit format is H10301. There are no restrictions on this format. HID produces and manages over 1,000 other card data formats, but all of them share the same fundamental concepts as the 26-bit format. Other card manufacturers also have unique proprietary formats. H10301 describes binary encoded data. The facility code is stored in binary bits marked A, and the card number is stored in the binary bits marked B. The bits marked P are parity bits, used as a very simple quality check for the accuracy of the transmitted binary data. In this example, we show H10304, a 37-bit format. This format also has fields named facility code and card number, but if you compare it to H10301, its format is very different and would probably not work on a customer's system that was set up for H10301. System installers will need to know the format name and specific field information in order to set up their security panels and enroll cards. In fact, it is almost impossible to batch enroll cards without these specifics. HID always includes a cross-reference list with every card order that has the format and all specific card data listed. HID sales orders and card box labels also include this same information. Here is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.